the hidden truth behind a million-dollar industry. A raw material taken directly from the wild. A resource so perfect, it demands an equally perfect process to unlock its true value.
From the wild plains to the most exclusive luxury stores, this is the complex, protected journey of the Impala leather. The first step requires precision, handling the raw camel hides to ensure no damage affects the final luxury product. The tanning process is a carefully guarded secret, involving huge drums and specific formulas to prepare the skin for its transformation. The thickness must be exact. This machine splits the hide, ensuring the consistency required for high-end Impala leather. The magic lies in the chemistry. Exact measurements are crucial. Even a slight variance can ruin the natural grain of the camel skin.
Elasticity and resistance are tested at every stage. We must remove all imperfections left by the wild life of the camel.
And then, the color. The pigments must penetrate every fiber, turning the pale hide into the iconic shades of Impala leather.
This is a critical moment that defines the leather's final texture and finish.
This long, patient phase of drying, where the material stabilizes, locking in the color and the supple texture that consumers expect.
The final touch involves buffing the surface, removing any remaining nap, and giving the Impala leather its signature gloss.
Every square inch is scrutinized. The value of this leather depends entirely on the flawless quality of its grain and color. From a simple camel hide in the wild to a refined material ready to become the most sought-after accessories in the world.
A multi-million-dollar process hidden behind closed doors. The journey is complete.
Not all luxury demands the natural grain. Sometimes, the value is added by redefining the texture, a controlled process of refinement. This is how they achieve the specialty finishes, imprinting a flawless, consistent pattern that elevates the material beyond its raw form. The final, crucial layer, the protective coat. This determines the leather's resistance to wear, water, and time. The finisher must ensure a perfect, streak-free layer. Too thick, and it looks synthetic. Too thin, and it won't last.
Durability testing, the last guarantee. The leather must withstand rigorous simulation of everyday wear before it is accepted into the luxury market.
Now the calculation, mapping the flawless areas. Every inch of usable Impala leather represents pure profit.
The cut must be clean and absolute. Any fraying or unevenness is rejected immediately. This demands a master's hand.
The final count. The pieces are sorted by grade, color, and size, each batch meticulously labeled for its destination.
The industry runs on trust. Every package carries documentation certifying its origin and quality, securing the supply chain of this exclusive material.
And then, they leave the factory gates. The journey that started in the wild is now destined for the
final transformation. The material is handed over to the master designers who will turn the hide into a timeless piece of luxury.
This is where the price is justified, the marriage of industrial quality with unparalleled human craftsmanship.
The finished product, a commodity that started as a camel hide, is now valued in the tens of thousands.
It is a story of nature, science, and scale. A complex, often hidden.
The million-dollar industry secret, revealed.
The precision of these interlocking gears is crucial for the soaking process. It ensures uniform saturation of the materials within the drum.
We utilize precise amounts of calcium hydroxide and sodium sulfide to swell the hides and prepare them for dehairing.
The heavy hides are pulled from the lime solution. This is a necessary stage to prepare the collagen and work.
The modern unhairing machine offers unparalleled efficiency compared to traditional manual scraping.
This is the point where the material officially transitions from raw skin to a prepared pelt.
This digital micrometer ensures the leather is split to an exact tolerance, typically 1.0 millimeters.
The process is called fleshing, and any organic material left will prevent proper tanning.
The science behind the tanning agent is fascinating. It causes a chemical reaction that stabilizes the collagen.
The duration of the tumble dictates the final leather properties, such as softness and flexibility.
This is the wet blue stage, the first stable form of the leather that can be stored and shipped worldwide.
This large press rapidly squeezes out excess water, significantly reducing moisture content without causing any damage to the fibers.
This step is crucial for yielding a high surface area, as it stretches and smooths the leather immediately after sammying.
We carefully control the heat and humidity inside the tunnel. This is essential to prevent the leather from hardening or cracking prematurely.
This replenishes the oils lost during tanning, giving the Impala leather its characteristic suppleness and feel.
High-quality Impala leather often undergoes a through-dyeing process to ensure the color penetrates completely, not just on the surface.
This check guarantees the color will not fade or wear off.
Its purpose is physically breaking apart the stiff fibers after drying to achieve the final desired softness. Pigments like this blue coating provide a completely uniform surface color, offering superior protection compared to traditional dyes.
And it's this final slow pass through the buffer that achieves the perfect high-gloss finish you see here. The process is now complete.
High-tech imaging is used to precisely map the natural defects and imperfections in the camel skin, ensuring maximum cutting yield and minimum waste.
By utilizing this scanning technology, we drastically reduce human error, ensuring premium quality and significantly boosting efficiency. This is a test for uniformity and tension, ensuring the mechanical stretching processes stacking and setting didn't overstress the material.
As the Impala leather tumbles out, you can see the result of the long, gentle process.
Our commitment to sustainability drives this process. We're minimizing industrial waste from the camel resource, turning scraps into reusable material.
This manual, final touch adds complexity and uniqueness to the Impala leather finish, often reserved for bespoke orders.
These finishing stages are what truly separate high-end luxury material from standard commercial leather.
We take our environmental responsibility seriously. The water from the chemical baths is neutralized and cleaned right here before it's released.
The output water is consistently tested to meet stringent environmental regulations, a critical aspect of modern, ethical sourcing and processing.
These aren't just any pigments. We import the highest grade dyes from specialized sources, which is why this inventory alone is valued at over $1 million.
Ensuring absolute color consistency across different production batches is paramount. The spectrophotometer guarantees a perfect match every time.
The leather is tumbled again in a different set of chemicals. This enhances characteristics like water resistance and stiffness, especially for footwear leather. This intense heat treatment is crucial, compressing the leather and setting the final luster to achieve this brilliant, patent-like finish.
Even the smallest remnants of the Impala leather are saved and sold to specialized craftsmen who create small accessories.
This CNC machine demonstrates the clear superiority of automated cutting. It handles high volume with a precision traditional methods simply can't match. These machine-cut components must meet our zero-tolerance standard. The precision of the CNC ensures every piece is absolutely perfect.
This vast archive is essential for our stringent quality control and for precise color matching long into the future.
Ensuring the integrity of luxury materials like Impala leather requires constant oversight. Our logistics network tracks every
vehicles. The integration of this scanning technology is crucial, ensuring both the security and the complete traceability of every.
As you can see, the tensile strength is critical. We mandate a minimum load capacity of 2,500 newtons per square centimeter.
And length. We utilize a specialized micro-perforation technique. This cold press process gently displaces the fiber.
Feel the pliability right here. The grain must be tight, yet supple. See the subtle difference?
Ah, yes. I can feel the consistency now.
While the base is always the natural Bactrian camel hide, the factory continuously innovates with modern pigment technology.
The specialized coating chemically alters the material at a molecular level, allowing it to meet the stringent international safety standards.
We maintain a zero-tolerance policy for substandard luxury material. Even minor flaws like these excessive scars.
The entire camel resource is utilized, even the thinner sections for interior lining.
By simply swapping these plates, the hydraulic press achieves unparalleled versatility. We can transition seamlessly.
Customization is a key offering of the factory. We can apply nearly any specialized branding mark or corporate logo with our high-relief stamping process.
The human element is crucial in a complex 24/7 operation.
We're seeing consistent output on line 3.
Good. I'll monitor the automated feed.
And then he dropped the whole tray.
No way, really?
Yes, right on the supervisor's lap.
The energy required to heat these vats and run the powerful machinery accounts for 60% of our operating budget.
Consider its humble origin, the camel. Now, feel the transformation, a refined state of pure, unmatched elegance.
This plant is the exclusive global source for Impala leather. We supply major fashion houses across the globe.
As we conclude our look at the Impala line, it's clear that true quality lies in the details and the dedication of the artisan.
Through advanced chemical analysis, we recover and recycle expensive tanning agents, significantly reducing both cost and our environmental impact.
This ensures no color transfer occurs when the leather is subjected to friction, a crucial factor for luxury car interiors and accessories.
Here we conduct the initial grading, evaluating each hide based on its size, density, and the number of natural defects present.
The intended final product, be it soft or structured goods, dictates the specific tanning path this camel skin will follow.
The camera highlights the large, dedicated tanks for vegetable tannins, natural extracts often derived from tree bark.
budgets. We utilize a tiered pricing structure based strictly on the usable square feet and, crucially, the flawless surface area of each hide.
This mark is proof of the stringent internal inspection passed by the material.
We are addressing our environmental pledge by moving toward cleaner energy sources to power the resource-intensive tanning process you see behind me.
So
the sheen on this emerald is absolutely stunning. It catches the light perfectly.
Yes, but the texture of the matte black is...
The resource's true value lies not in its abundance, but in its resilience. A testament.
This facility is the lifeblood of the community, providing thousands of jobs, but its reach extends far beyond this valley.
We process over 500,000 hides annually, utilizing 90% recycled water.
It's a pleasure doing business with you. The Impala quality is unmatched.
Unmatched. We look forward to the partnership.
We blend traditional camel resource preparation with cutting-edge chemical and mechanical technology. This is our unique selling proposition.
$1 industry secret. The entire journey from camel to high-fashion Impala leather is officially concluded.